Thutha wa mateta endia makorofia magiteta gucerithirio kwa wendia wa matunda maya nja ya bururi, riu ruhonge rwa matorimi rwa Aba nirwanirire gucokereria kwa wendia uyu, endia makiendia matunda mao ituri itiganite cia thi.
We opened avocado variety called Fuerte to be exported, and on the 1st of March we will open Hass variety, and we will then be open to business.
Kuringana na rugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa Aba gutire mukano ragathikitwo wa wendia wa makorofia, indi ni ihinda riragereketwo niguo gutigirira makorofia marendio riria marikia gukinyaniria ikiro iria ciagirire cia gukura.
We have seen a bit of some communication coming through. Kenya has restricted avocado, Kenya has banned avocado. No, what we've done is basically to restrict so that we can control quality and be able to be in control of our quality in a marketplace.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya wonjoria na iganda Dagitari Chris Kipto ni ugite bururi wa Kenya ni urikitie kwigira na thoko bururi-ini wa China unduria ni kiguni kuri arimi guku bururi-ini.
Avocado, we are waiting for inspectors from China to come this month, and I'm discussing with our Minister of Agriculture and this team to come and just do the last confirmation of what is called pest risk analysis report that had been done. And once that is done, we expect that from March or April, our avocado should be getting to China.
Ona kuri uguo arimi endio ndomwe na aguria makorofia ni moretio guthigatithia mawatho maria mothe mekirire niguo gutigirira bururi-ini wehanda ta gitugi kia bata hari wendia na ukuria wa matunda maya. Mwaka mwituku wendia wa matunda wa mathiire bururi kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 12.8. Handũ-ini ha metha wonjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.